Assalamu alaikum. I'm Jamshid and you are watching the YouTube channel Muhammad Junaid Official. Today I am talking about the heinous act of burning the Holy Quran in Sweden. But first of all, I would like to say something about Islam. That Islam is a peaceful religion and we Muslims are very peaceful people. We respect every religion in the world. And the minorities are also safe in our country. We have no fear of any power in the world because we do not like anarchy. Today, they are playing with the sentiments of Muslims. I want to convince the Swedish government that we have no fear of any power in the world but Allah. The greatest power in the world before us is the power of Allah. We love to live and die in the name of Allah. Today, in front of the whole world, the religious book of Muslim, the Holy Quran, was burned in Sweden. Our faith has been tested. We are very peaceful people. We should not be teased. We are very civilized people and know our tradition very well. Such acts have happened many times and our faith is being tested again and again. Now, I warn the Swedish government that if they do not take any action on the burning of the Holy Quran, then you don't know what will happen in Sweden, in Stockholm. I warn the Swedish government that if they do not take any action on the burning of the Holy Quran, then we will burn the entire Stockholm like they burned the Holy Quran. I inform all the Muslim countries that our faith is being beat today. I request all the Muslim leaders that please raise this issue at international level and whoever burned the Holy Quran. This heinous act must be brought to an end. Otherwise, the Swedish government will regret that who it is connected with. Thank you.